In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis in Canva. Emojis are a quick way to add personality, highlight key points, or just make your design feel more friendly. We'll keep this simple and make sure it works, no matter what kind of project you're working on. Start by opening your Canva project. This could be a social post, a presentation slide, a flyer, anything you already have on your dashboard. Once your design is open, take a moment to decide where the emoji will go. If you plan to place it inside text, click into an existing text box so your cursor is ready. If you're placing it as a standalone element, simply select the area where you want it to appear and be prepared to paste. Now, switch to your web browser and search for emoji. Search for emoji. You'll see several emoji websites in the results. Any reputable site that lets you copy emojis will do. The key here is that you don't need to download anything or sign up. You're just going to copy the emoji character. Many of these sites have a search bar, so you can type a keyword like smile, arrow, or check, and instantly see options. When you find the emoji you want, click it to copy. On some sites, there's a dedicated copy button. On others, simply selecting the emoji will copy it to your clipboard. If needed, you can also use your keyboard to copy. You can repeat this for multiple emojis, one at a time, so you have exactly what you need. Return to your Canva tab. Click where you want the emoji to appear, inside a text box or on your canvas, and paste. You should see the emoji show up right away. If it lands inside a text box, it behaves like a character, so you can adjust the font size to make it larger or smaller. Align it with your text, and space it just like any other letter. If you place it on its own, you can move it, duplicate it, or position it precisely using Canva's alignment guides. A few tips as you refine the look. Emojis can appear slightly different across devices, so pick designs that are clear and readable at the size you plan to use. If an emoji looks too small or fuzzy, increase the font size or try a simpler icon. Keep contrast in mind. Bold emojis stand out best against plain backgrounds. And finally, use emojis intentionally. Sprinkle them where they add meaning or draw attention, rather than everywhere. That's it. You've added emojis to your Canva design quickly and cleanly, using copy and paste from a trusted emoji website.